If your iPhone is completely locked out, and for some reasons, you do not remember your passcode, how to bypass iPhone passcode. In this video, we will show you 3 ways to bypass iPhone passcode. We can only bypass iPhone password through factory reset. This would make all of your iPhone data deleted, but if you backed up your iPhone data through computer, iTunes or iCloud, you can restore the backup after factory reset iPhone. Okay, let's move on 3 ways of how to bypass a passcode on iPhone. Way number 1. Bypass passcode on iPhone through Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. How to bypass an iPhone passcode? It is very easy to do when you use Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Launch Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker on computer. Put the locked iPhone in recovery mode, and connect it to computer. Choose the Unlock iOS screen option and click the Start button to continue. After that, click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. Click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPhone. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete. Your iPhone is waiting for you to reset as a new iPhone. Way number 2. Bypass passcode on iPhone through iTunes. Launch iTunes on your computer, and connect your computer to your iPhone using a USB cable. Select the device icon in the upper left corner of the iTunes interface. Click on Summary later and press Restore iPhone. To confirm your choice, click the Restore button again. iTunes will wipe your device data and restore your device to factory settings. Way number 3. Bypass passcode on iPhone through iCloud. Enter in and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature, select the iPhone to unlock. At last, click Erase iPhone button to make the iPhone come back to the factory settings.